tri gair I disgrifio social entrepreneur. Y planet, pobl a profit. I social entrepreneur, dim dim ond yr arian sy'n bwysig, mae'r pobl sy'n byw ar y planet.
The reason why I decided to start ICE was because I really believed there was a problem that needed to be solved, because I wanted to surround myself with great, incredible and inspiring people. Businesses are definitely the way to address social issues, I think, because they've got the power and the ability and usually the resources to do something about it, but it has to be a conscious decision to really believe that that is the purpose for doing that business.
Nes I byth penderfynu I bod yn social entrepreneur. Weles I problem yn y gymuned a nes I rhywbeth amdano fe. A fi'n credu na ffordd mae social entrepreneurs yn dod I fyw, just gweld problem a wedyn gobeithio wneud rhywbeth amdano fe.
The way I run my business is I've got an particular ethical policy. I like to give something back where possible.
When you first start, when you've got an empty inbox and you've got a head full of dreams, it's easy to kind of focus on the picture of how beautiful that will look. When the day-to-day grind of trying to make everyone happy really sets in, it's very difficult to remember why you started that business. So I think it's really important to take yourself away from the business on a regular basis to make sure that you don't get into a situation where you can't see the wood for the trees. And I think especially when you're running a social business, it's important to remember why you did it, whilst also keeping an eye on the important business performance indicators.
Mae pobl yn meddwl os mae'r cwmni not for profit, achos mae'r rhan fwyaf o'r social entrepreneurs yn rhedeg not profit cwmnïau. A wedyn beth mae pobl yn meddwl bod ni ddim yn moyn neud profit. Ni yn moyn neud profit, ond ni moyn neud profit gyda fel social conscience. A fi'n credu na'r misconception mwyaf gyda pobl.
I think businesses can certainly make a profit while making a social change. People buy from companies they believe in and companies they believe are doing the right thing. And I think that by making a huge social impact, you can run the business in a really important and meaningful way.
I work to do things which are enjoyable, which are a benefit to others. If people can actually enjoy what they're doing, that's the most important thing. You've got to enjoy what you're doing, and I've always enjoyed what I've done.
When you're doing something that you believe is really meaningful, every single morning you really feel like you can make a difference.
For me, every day's a holiday. I like to enjoy my activities. Being a social entrepreneur, I suppose, is my way of dealing with that.